So last night was Markham, and this car let me down again. I can't believe it. This car here has been nothing but problems. I'm quite down about this car. Again, I was doing great. Car was running. Actually, to be honest, the car runs like crap. After it gets warmed up, it starts shooting black smoke. I've changed the throttle position sensor, changed the intake, changed the fuel system, changed the fuel regulator, changed the map sensor. I've changed just about everything, but I've come to the point that it's going to run like crap no matter what I do. So as long as you keep your foot on the gas, it's half decent once it gets warmed up. But I can't really hide anything now with this car, so they really picked it apart at Tech this year, or this event, and I just cut everything off because I'm sick and tired of this car. So last weekend, if you guys remember, I broke my throttle cable right there. Stupid random break. This event, my ratchet strap broke. It broke the gears out of the inside of my ratchet strap. Like, that is another stupid random break, and it took this gas tank and just hucked it across the car. Honestly, I am so fed up with this car. It is unbelievable. It is holding up fantastic. The roof has gone to crap because all I've done is jumped on the roof for the past year. The back end is holding up great. The front end is holding up great. It runs like crap, and it just won't die. It is a piece of junk that just wants to stick around and watch me get upset repeatedly at it. I don't know. I'm talking about letting one of my friends run it because I'm just sick and tired of this car. Just sick and tired of this car. You know, it's getting near the end of the season, and it is really, it's hard on me this year. It's actually, you know, to be honest, it's hard on me every year. The end of the season is hard on me. Oh well. Again, just let down by the stupidest thing, and then the tech guy, as soon as the gas tank came flying out, black flagged me on the spot, and I was not happy. He knows I'm not happy about the call he made, and he black flagged me, and I just kept going. I just put the gas tank back in its spot, held it down, and kept going. And he stopped the Derby, came up to me, told me I was DQ'd, and I said I'm not DQ'd. I refused to let him DQ me for it. And he says that he'll give me some time to get it fixed, and then he walked right back to the wall and dropped the green flag again, and then I couldn't get the strap fixed in time, and they DQ'd me. It's just a massive letdown. This car holds up great. It is like, I'm going down to top 5, and this thing here is in great shape. Realistically, I haven't done anything to it to fix it. I'm gonna have to do a little bit now because the trailing arm is bent and the tire's into the body. But I'm just gonna take a Sawzall, cut a little bit of space, put a jack underneath the trailing arm, push it back out, put some air in the tires, we're good to go. But it is the stupidest things that keep taking me out with this car. And honestly, guys, I think I'm just done for this year. I have like 2 more derbies left, and I'm just not feeling it. I'm just not feeling it. I got the end of the season blues. Just not feeling the rest of the season. But that's the aftermath from Markham. Car pisses me off. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you back here tomorrow.